Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today, I'm going to quickly show you guys how to manage who comments on your Instagram posts. So it's super simple. Right now, we're on the main page, on our profile page. We're going to go up to these three bars right over here, click on Settings, and now we're going to click on Privacy, and then also click on Comments. So right over here, this is the comment controls. Allow comments from everyone. So we can click on that, and now we actually get to generalize, choose who we want, which people we want to comment. So right now it's on everyone. I can also adjust it for only people I follow, or people who follow me, or people you follow and your followers, right? So this is the culmination of all your followers and the people who follow you. Right now it's on everyone, so it's public if you use hashtags. And then when we go back here, block comments from, we click here and we can just type in someone we follow or someone who follows us, and we can just block them, right? So that's very simply how you manage who comments on your Instagram posts. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.